always creative with finding items that are looking like props on Star Trek when I want one. I have made a video about that before, only it's a little bit embedded in information about how I created gifts for someone. But anyway, I recently saw official kanar bottle, a Cardassian kanar bottle, offered on a local marketplace, and they were asking 75 euros for it. And I thought, okay, it looks a little bit strange, but wouldn't there be, like the tea glasses, something which is considered just an ordinary item that looks exactly like it? And so I took the photo and really studied it, etc., and gave some search options in on the internet, and I really found several options. Of course, they are only pictures, and you have to be, yeah, it can be different. And to be honest, except from the photo, I do not really know, of course, because they don't exist really, how a Cardassian kanar bottle really looks like. So I have found something I think from the photo is a lookalike for a Cardassian kanar bottle. And I have it here, and I'm going to unbox it, and you might want to join me. By the way, including shipping, I paid about 8 euros for it. That's the difference from 75 euros for the official one. But how does it look? I already cut it because I don't want to cut into something important, and lots of stuff, but I think, well, go carefully. Okay, I have to clean up later. Okay, according to the description, there are several options. It has a cork in it. There are also some bottles who look like Cardassian kanar bottles, and yeah, I want to show off my braid. Okay, which did not have yeah, something got in my eye. Ew. Okay, let's continue. Battle wound. Who the Klingons say. But anyway, there are several without corks, and then I would have to create a cork myself, so then you would have to find a cork. But nowadays everything is a screw or bottle caps, so a cork would be meaning to buy a bottle of wine or something that is, there is no cork in it, unless they package it separately. I have to look into it because on the picture it was with cork. Not a quark, but a cork. I'm just telling you how difficult it would be to find a cork if there is not one, and then suddenly it turns up without the cork. As I said, unless it's in the separate but okay, and here we are. I will put in a photo from Memory Alpha also. One of the characteristics is that it has an heightened, flattened place for a kind of label, which I realized when I saw the photo, so I looked for that happening also. But now still is the question, to cork or not to cork? Give me some time and I will get back to you. Okay, I searched everywhere, but there was no cork. Well, I have to complain about that because it's part of the deal. Normally I'm not that precise, but in this case it will cost me extra to find a cork to put on it. have to buy some bottle I don't use to get a cork probably, or have to put a call on internet, who has a cork for me, because corks are not that common anymore. So anyway, here it is, and I will make a picture of it and put it next to the official picture from, I believe, Memory Alpha, but I will credit them so you know where I got that original photo from. There is even some leftover label that is also funny. Well, what do you think? In general, I'm very happy, but as I said, I bought this option especially because it had a cork some others did not have. So I'm a little bit conflicted, but then again, as for a lookalike, I think for €8, it looks very nice. So look a little bit different at stuff, and you might find nice lookalike bargains. And if you enjoyed this video, please like or subscribe, and thank you for watching. Bye.